Hi, my name is Erin, and I'm head of retail sales for K18. So my hair type is naturally wavy. I like to say it's naturally frizzy. On a scale of 1 to 5, in terms of damage, I'm definitely a 5. I only wash it about once a week, so there's a lot of heat styling that I'm doing in between washes. I have super hard water where I live. I'm in the sun. I live outside of Chicago, so there's a lot of wind, there's rain. So damage is something that I live with every day. My hair's aging, and so it actually is more sensitive, I think, than it used to be. I also feel like my texture has changed as I've gotten older. So I always make sure to get the K18 service so that I know I'm getting as much protection and doing as little damage as possible while I'm getting the bleaching done. My at-home routine for K18 is once a week I wash my hair, so I always need the detox because I'm usually only washing it that one time. And right after that, I use the mask. I feel like damage is ongoing and I'm putting my hair through so much that it really needs the mask each time that I wash. So after I've let the mask sit, I then follow up with the oil when my hair is still wet, and I use that as a base for my styling before I blow dry. I know that's gonna be repairing my hair, but it's also gonna help the frizz. I then blow dry my hair and go back with the oil just to make sure that I've really captured everything, adds a lot of shine, smooths it all down, and I'm ready to go. K18 has changed my hair so much because I'm able to do more with it and have it look the way I want it to look, all because it has a much healthier base.